Good morning. After a weary Monday, it looks like we are in for a much better start and perhaps an improved overall session. The world markets did not react adversely to a couple of bad news coming out of Europe. Also, US stocks ended higher despite a disappointing report on home builders' confidence, which fell on a 15-year low in July. China's Shanghai Composite Index, which stood out even yesterday, has extended those gains this morning. China's stocks, the worst performers in Asia this year, probably ended a slump after reaching a low earlier this month, according to CLSA Asia Pacific markets. The other Asian markets bearing Japan are stable to mixed, if not in a rally mode. Given the backdrop, the market will kick off on a steady note with the NSE Nifty set to cross 5,400. Whether it manages to build on a positive opening remains to be seen. The near-term range for the Nifty is likely to be at 5,300 to 5,430. It may take a while before it convincingly pierces 5,500. The key support is placed at around 5,180 to 5,200. The corporate earnings, both local and global, the RBI policy review on the 27th of July, and the outcome of European banks' stress test this week are the events to watch out for. The results to be declared today are Bombay Dyeing, JK Paper, Monsanto India, NIIT Tech, Noida Tollbridge, Omnitech, Panacea Biotech, SKF India, Sonata Software, Tata Coffee, United Spirits and Z Entertainment. The FIIs were net buyers at Rs 1.54 billion in the cash segment on Monday on a provisional basis as per figures published on the NSE website. The local funds were net sellers of Rs 2.61 billion. In the F&O segment, they were net sellers at Rs 9.25 billion. On Friday, the FIIs were net buyers of Rs 7.59 billion in the cash segment. The other news for the day is merchandise exports rose 30.4% year-on-year to $17.75 billion in June, while the imports grew by 23% to $28.3 billion, resulting in a trade deficit of $10.55 billion. The government revised upward its estimate for food grain production at 218.20 million tons in the 2009-2010 crop year. The Chemicals and Fertilizers Ministry would soon come out with a new policy to encourage investments in the fertilizer sector, particularly to enhance urea production. SEBI panel has suggested for hiking open offer trigger to 25% from its 15% and raising the offer size to 100% of the equity in the target company. Viacom 18 Media filed a petition before Broadcasting Tribunal TDSAT asking it to restrain MSM Discovery from distributing and marketing its channel. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Syndicate Bank. We recommend traders with high-risk appetite to buy the stock above Rs 103.50 with a stop loss at Rs 100 for a target price of Rs 110. And a buy on SRF. We recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 256 for a short-term target of Rs 270 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 251. The derivative strategies are long NTPC July future in the range of Rs 204 to Rs 205 for a target price of Rs 214 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 199. And long Jindal Saw July future in the range of Rs 201 to Rs 202 for a target price of Rs 209 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 197. Thank you and have a great day ahead.